Welcome back, future doctors. Continuing in our NEET test series. Let's see the next question. Okay. So you see, they are asking which of the following options represent the correct set of structures that is present in mammalian testes. Okay, right. So basically, this chapter is from sexual reproduction in humans. Okay. So it is, these are straight away NCERT facts. Okay, no need to. My basic suggestion is you do not focus on any other materials, any other notes apart from NCERT. Okay, right. So you see, graphene follicles. Graphene follicles are nothing but the structures that are present in the ovary. Yes or no? Okay. It's not graphene follicles, and wherever you are seeing graphene follicles in the options, you can neglect that. Okay. 1, 2, gone. Fourth gone. What's remaining? That is our third option. Of course, this should be the option, right? Yes or no? Okay. Now let's discuss furthermore. We are having Sertoli cells, seminiferous tubules, Leydig cells. Okay. See here, I have attached one diagram. Okay. So basically, human testis. This is the structure we are having. You see, this human testis is going to made up of multiple lobules. Yes or no? We are going to have more than 200 lobules here, and each lobule has 2 to 3 coiled structures called seminiferous tubules in them. Okay, so you see, these are the seminiferous tubules. If I do a cross section of seminiferous tubules, this is how it looks like. Okay, so you see, this is one tubular structure. Okay, and the external spaces, okay, these spaces are going to have a peculiar cell called Leydig cells. And what's the function of Leydig cell? It is to produce the most important androgen, that is our testosterone. Okay, when gene has a what's the hormonal response for testosterone? I'll add a note on that as well. Okay, basically from hypothalamus, gonadotropin releasing hormones comes to the pituitary. Okay, anterior pituitary. In response to GnRH, what happens? Our anterior pituitary starts releasing ICSH, correct? Interstitial cell stimulating hormone, which is analogous to LH hormone in female. Okay, right. In response to ICSH hormone, this Leydig cell is going to secrete testosterone, which is responsible for all the secondary male sexual characters. Okay, right, that's good. Which is located in the intercellular space, interstitial spaces. Okay, okay. And what are we having here? We are having this cell is there, right? This is nothing but our Sertoli cells. And what's the function of the Sertoli cells? It is also, it has one more name also. I think you'll get an idea once I tell that name. It has another name called nursing cells. So you get the answer, right? So it just nourishes, it just provides nourishment for the developing spermatocytes. Okay, that's the role of Sertoli cells. And in the Sertoli cells, what's embedded? These embedded structures are nothing but our spermatocytes. Okay, once the embedded spermatocyte comes out, detaches itself from the Sertoli cells, that process is called as permeation. Okay, these are other facts. Okay, other facts, and I just thought this would be a revision for you as well, right? Yeah. So the correct response for this question is option 3: Sertoli cells, seminiferous tubules, Leydig cells. These are the structures present in mammalian testes. Okay, I'll see you in the next video, right?